Alright, so there's this stupid thing that's happening, alright? It's going around, right? And it's this math problem, right? It's like this, alright? It's that divided by 2 parentheses. It's 1 plus 2, right? It's 1 plus 2. Now, my handwriting is not the best, but here's the thing. Shush. Alright. So, I'm gonna tell you why it's 9, dude. Because if you learn PEMDAS or just order of operations in general, you should know. Okay, parentheses go first, right? That's why the P. Let's P parenthesis. Right? Let's go like that. So it's parentheses, bro. So yeah, that makes sense, right? So we do 3 in brackets 2. Now, just so you know that like 2 next to something in brackets is multiplication, just a dot or an X, depending on whatever you want. So then you still have to divide it by 6, right? Now, the thing is, an absolutely uncultured person would do this first and then divide by 6 and then get 1, right? But no, that's wrong. That's wrong. Stop. Let's get rid of these. Okay, wow. Let's get rid of this, right? So you would have to do this first because order of operations again, you know? It would be, so you can skip the E, but when we get to the M, which is multiply, I'm just going to write mult, and D, which is divide, I'll just write the whole thing, they're like even, just like add and subtract, dude, they're even. See, these, just like, if you have like a 2 plus 1 minus 2, then you just do addition first, and then subtract in second. But if you had 2 minus 1 plus 2, you'd still do it in this order. And it's the same thing with multiplication and division. So you do 2 plus 1, so you do 6 divided by 2 times 3 instead of just because multiply comes first in like P, E, M, D, A, and S. Doesn't mean you do multiplication first. It means these are even and these are even. So it's just whichever one comes first. So multiplication comes first and division comes second, then you do it multiplication first. But if division comes first and multiplication comes second, then you do division first and multiplication second. So you would do this, right? That right there. So that would be 3 and 3, right? Like that, right? And so you do that time. So now this is just multiplication, which can be symbolized by a dot or an X, right? So then just multiply it and 9. So yeah, the answer to the now I get it. If you're like not very like if you don't remember it or you're just like not very good at remembering math stuff, I get it. Just for whatever reason, if you don't remember, it's fine. I'm just here to educate you because it's. And if you see, I can do math quickly, dude. And I'm good at math or something like that. Should I be good at math? I should be good at math. So, to show you how good at math I am, I'm just going to do the multiplication problem. 69, oh no, I'll just do this. 420 times 69, dude. Now, what we're going to do is just going to multiply and do the multiplication steps. Now I'm good at multiplication, so it's not going to be that long. So, 0, 18, 37, right? That does not look like 7. Okay, so then you add a 0 because this is in tens place. 0, 12, so you add the other one there. And then you got 24, 25, dude. Yeah, just don't ignore that. Just, no, I said don't ignore that, but ignore that. So 0, 8, that's a 7, by the way, and that's a 2. 9, 8, and 2. So, it would be 2,000, no, people who don't add commas in between are gonna get mad, so it's gonna be this, and then this, this. Nope, that's not it. You know, I'm just gonna ignore that. 28,980. So, yes, this verifies everything I've said because I'm good at math. And you're not. Unless you got the answer of this divided by 2, 1 plus 2 equals. Can I change my color? Yeah. 9. Not 1. Gone. I learned math in this year. So, yeah, it's 9, not 1. In fact, let me just get rid of these. Yeah. What the heck? Like, I was just like, that. See? Now there's nothing, dude. No ones, dude. It's all 9, dude. It's 9. That's all I have to say. And I'm done with this.